You must be wondering how you can make thousands of dollars online using YouTube by not even showing your face. Now you're at the right place. So watch the full video to know how you can earn using YouTube even when you sleep. To start your journey to make money online, you can start a YouTube niche channel. A good number of faceless niche channels are earning thousands of dollars from YouTube, and the next one can be yours. Various new creators with faceless YouTube channels are earning thousands of dollars per day by uploading videos on YouTube, that too without showing their face. You can see the estimated earnings of such channels on your screen from Social Blade. First channel is Brightside and the next one is Economics Explained. There are many more such faceless channels which are earning a good amount of money on YouTube. You can imagine if you have even 3 to 4 successful monetized channels like these in different niches, how much you will be earning from YouTube. It will be more than enough to quit your job and create content on YouTube full time. Once your YouTube channel gets monetized, you get paid for the views day in and day out, even when you are sleeping. You cannot even imagine earning while sleeping, even if you are doing the best job out there, because at the end of the day it's a job and you are working for someone else. If you want to start earning thousands of dollars online when you sleep, you can begin by creating a faceless YouTube niche channel. To know the step-by-step process, you can watch our video on how to create a faceless niche YouTube channel. The link of the video is given in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos. To like the video and share the video with your friends who want to make money online. Thanks for watching.